Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you all about OneDrive versus Google Drive comparison. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Imagine having a magical storage place for your files where they can never be lost or corrupted. This is where cloud storage comes into the picture. Now the important question is, which is the best cloud storage? Is it OneDrive or Google Drive? Let's settle the OneDrive versus Google Drive debate for you. It's their adaptation of different approaches that somewhat makes them different from each other. Let's start with the interface and ease of use first. Both Google Drive and OneDrive are available on the web, desktop, and mobile devices. Installing and setting up the program is a smooth process for both. Basically, they have a clean and easy-to-use interface. Both platforms let you restore or download older versions of files and find files easily. Now, let's talk about features like file sharing, syncing, and integration. Both cloud storage offers equal file sharing and collaboration capabilities. All you have to do is click share and create links to share folders and files and authorize users that are also allowed to edit. However, Google Drive does not provide options for passwords, expiration dates, or download limits like OneDrive, which makes file sharing capabilities a bit weaker in comparison. When it comes to file syncing, the two platforms use traditional synchronization across multiple devices. However, OneDrive is one step ahead of Google Drive with its block-level replication file syncing technology for faster sync and upload of files. As for the integration, they seamlessly integrate with Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and so on. In case of performance, both platforms take about the same amount of time to upload files and folders, but Google Drive has a faster download speed in comparison. Now, let's see how both providers stack up when it comes to security. As far as security features go, both platforms offer two-factor authentication to prevent user accounts from being hacked, and encryption of all files in transit and at rest. However, OneDrive offers a special feature called Personal Vault, whose access is protected with solid security measures like two-step identity verification, face recognition, fingerprint, or PIN to keep your sensitive documents secure. When it comes to privacy, both of them will mine your file for information, while Google uses it to create targeted ads and Microsoft monitors for objectionable files. In terms of pricing and storage, OneDrive comes with a 5 GB free plan with no fancy features, whereas Google Drive offers a 15 GB free plan. As an alternative, you can choose from multiple paid plans. Also, both plans offer 100 GB storage for about $2 a month. Google Drive's flexibility makes it more appealing than other platforms despite their similar pricing plans. As a result of the different approaches, OneDrive and Google Drive each have their own strengths and weaknesses. Taking everything into consideration, we can safely conclude that OneDrive offers a better user experience along with better features and tighter security. However, Google Drive is not far behind at all. It's unlikely that either of the platforms will disappoint individuals or professionals. So that's basically all about OneDrive versus Google Drive. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.